Welcome back to my channel. I didn't know this was Gazini, as you know it. We're back with another vlog, and guys, I'm doing a meal prep, and you know what, it's gonna be a long day. I just came back from the gym, so I'm doing the meal prep. Enjoy the vlog.
I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you'll leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit still in me? God, I'm asking you for clarity, even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God.
Nobody really knows me like you do. Still nobody really loves me like you can, Jesus. And I don't understand.
So guys, I just got a call. I added spinach onto this this chicken mince. I hope it tastes better. I'm not on the fitness anymore.
Every single time that I release, all I have inside is a feeling. I know I cannot explain. You give me joy for my pain, so I'ma put this praise on repeat. Every single time that I release, all I have inside is a feeling. I know I cannot explain. You give me joy.
One that's here, I want to put in the pasta, and with this broccoli cheddar cheese soup thing.
I'll cry out for Jesus. It's my offering. I won't let her out. Cry out for me. It's my offering. I pour my oil on you. 'Cause you're righteous, 'cause you're true. You're holy, only true and living God. That's who you are. So glory to the Lamb. Oh, glory to the Lamb. Now will slang for you and me. That's why I put this praise on repeat. Every single time that I read, all I have inside is a feeling. I know I cannot explain. You give me joy for my pain, so I'ma put this praise on repeat. Every single time that I read, all I have inside is a feeling. I know I cannot explain. You give me joy for my pain, but on my garment of praise. You give me joy for my pain, but on my garment of praise.
All I see is blessings, got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life, it's only lessons. They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning the game with the maker I already know now. Destiny has my name, know it's coming, it'll never go. I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working. I've been working out for my God. And no more living in that fear, no more tears and no. Oh, he's working me and molding me who he wants me to be.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. Our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way.
I can see the blessings, I can feel your presence. Leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goalie, never lonely. Got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way. Yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
I know that we all gonna be alright. We gon' make it through if it takes us all night. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
Say I'm proud of me. I came a long way, finally found my feet. It's been a crazy journey, but I'm grateful. I'm loving who I am becoming. I'm blessed and I'm thriving, I can't complain. I'm on a higher frequency. I refuse to let you mess with me. I'm protective of my energy and my time. Don't give it up too easy. I'm loving all my Grateful for the lessons 2020 gave. Receiving all the blessings that I manifest. No more living in the past. I'm done with that. Only looking right ahead. I'm attracting everything I need. Everything that I want is in reach. Not a worry on my mind. Everything will work out in divine time. Loving all myself, I realize how divine I am. My power lies deep within. I know my straying. I'm loving all myself. I realize how divine I am. My power lies deep within. I know my straying. Hey, yeah. Oh, I'm loving all myself. I realize how inside I am. My power lies deep within. No more straying. I'm loving all myself. I realize how divine I am. My power lies deep within. No more straying. Loving all myself. I realize how divine I am. My power lies deep within. Yeah. Lucky you created me a clean heart. 'Cause I just wanna be made new. Thank you for giving me a new start.